This repair video for the P0335 error code is specifically tailored for Toyota drivers. If your Toyota is showing up P0335 code, this is for you. This means that the engine control module, ECM, is not receiving a signal from the crankshaft position sensor. This sensor is crucial for monitoring the crankshaft's position and rotational speed. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty crankshaft position sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, timing belt or chain issues, damaged reluctor ring, corrosion. Here is a simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. Method 1. The crankshaft position sensor. The crankshaft is typically located at the front underside of the engine, often mounted to the timing cover. Start by carefully removing the crankshaft position sensor from the vehicle. Inspect it visually to ensure it hasn't been affected by leaks from other engine components. Next, use a multimeter to perform a resistance test on the sensor. If there is no reading, this indicates the sensor is defective and requires replacement. Additionally, check that the O-ring from the sensor hasn't fallen into its mounting hole. Finally, install a new crankshaft position sensor in its place. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996. It is commonly found in vehicles like Cadillac, Nissan, Ford, Buick, Dodge, Saturn, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.